Hey yo, what up people, this is your budgets and your kicks, and today we are back with another video. And for today's video, we have the Jordan 1 mid band. But before we go into the shoe, please let me ask you to go and subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up if you like any content. Also, let some comments down below letting me know all your opinions about the video, the sneaker, or whatever that you want to say. Just go to the comment section and say it. Also, follow me on my Instagram at JSonGKicks. And guys, let's begin this review. Yes guys, we have this beautiful sneaker, this Jordan 1 mid, Bred or band, however you want to call it. This is a super dope sneaker, the colorway, the color blocking. We all know what this Bred color represent, and having this color and this mid is super cool. This sneaker comes in this standard regular box for the Jordan 1 mids or lows, black box with the gold Jumpman. This is a size 8 because this is my girlfriend's shoe. My pair arrives today at my home, but I'm not there, so whatever. So guys, Jordan Brand has been giving us this year many options for this type of sneakers, because you know Jordan Brand already gave us 2 low versions of the Chicago ones, which I have the white heel one. Super dope to have that in my collection, and now I'm gonna add this too. I'm not a mid hater. I doesn't even understand why people get such a big hate on the Jordan 1 mids. This is dope. This is dope. If you're not a high beast, you will understand that this is a great sneaker to have. This is pretty close. I have right here my band Jordan 1 high, and this is my girlfriend's Jordan 1 mid. And you can see they're super close, with the only difference the height of the sneaker and the red eyelet in the mid version. The color blocking is pretty much the same. We're not gonna talk about the quality because we all know it's not gonna be the same, even though it looks super good, but we're gonna talk about that later on the video. So here you can see both version, high version, mid version. But this is not about this sneaker right here. This is about this one. So let's go with the details. We have the black panels, red Nike swoosh, the red back and red heel. This is the same color blocking as the high version. And the difference that we're gonna find is right here in the eyelets. This is the red eyelets. I think Jordan Brand made this for us to make sure that this is not the high version. So this is the only difference that we're gonna find. The toe comes in Bred and the toe accents in black. The Wings logo is also right here in black. The laces comes in black, only laces with this one. The tongue is black too, with the Jumpman air right here in the black tag in red. The inside of the sneaker is all black with the insole in black too, with the red Jumpman inside. In the mid version, we're not gonna find the numbers right here, like we're gonna find in the high one. It will be a dope detail to have in this one, but we don't have it. The midsole comes in white with the outsole in red. This is a super dope sneaker, as I've been saying. I'm really happy to have this because I already get the message that my package arrived at my home. I've been thinking about doing a custom on this sneaker, my first custom. I never have done one, because all we need to do to get the exactly Bred color blocking in this sneaker is just painting this eyelets in black. So I'm really thinking about painting it in black and put it on a video so you can see how good could this be. So let me know down in the comments if you want to see that. So overall, talking not much more to talk about it. The quality is the regular quality for the Jordan 1 mids. Nothing to complain, I guess. But overall, look good. It's a dope sneaker to have. Now we're gonna go with the on feet of the sneaker so you can see how good the sneaker looks on feet. So let's go with that. Right now, I've been like thinking very hard about which is the Jordan 1 mids of the year, because I was really sure that the one that I showed in the last video, the beetroot Jordan 1 mids were the Jordan 1 sneaker of the year. But now I'm thinking that's mostly because of the pendants that the sneaker has on the laces. But if we put those pendants in this one, it will look dope too. But I think that's not super important at this point. Those OG colors that we've been receiving on the Jordan 1 mids, I think is super cool coming from Jordan brand. Many people are gonna be calling this the broke man Jordan 1 Bred or whatever they want to call it. I mean, I think that's stupid. I think Jordan brand is giving an affordable version to our peoples, because I mean Jordan brand released those sneakers in 160 last time they released, so it's not like a super expensive sneaker. The reason they are expensive right now is because they're on the resale market, and every shoe on the resale market is more expensive than they are for retail. So that things that people are doing, calling some shoes broke version of other shoes that are more expensive from the resale market, I think is stupid. And that's the reason why the UA market is growing so much. And talking about UA, I have a UA shoe on my home and I'm gonna do the video tomorrow. So if you wanna see the sneaker, subscribe to the channel, because I wanna show you the sneaker so you can see how good the quality is being on the UA, and you'll be able to recognize if someone is trying to sell you UA sneaker for the retail version. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. In terms of this was the video already. We know it. You can see how close it is. This is like father like son. You know, I'm happy to have both in my collection. This was my first sneaker in my collection, and I'm gonna do a video telling you the story about how I get this. It was crazy the way I get it, but I'm gonna tell you that in another video. This is your boy, Sanjay Cake. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like that. Hit the thumbs up if you like the content. Leave some comments down below letting me know all your opinions, guys. Follow me on my Instagram at Sanjay Cakes, and guys, till the next one, goodbye.